Hi, welcome back to Literature Literature channel and today we are going to see a beautiful novel Emma by Jane Austen. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, this is the right time to subscribe and hit the bell symbol so that you can get more summaries later to the English literature. Let's get started. Jane Austen was a Georgian era author born in 1775 in Hampshire in London. Her important novels are Sense and Sensibility, Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, Emma, Northanger Persuasion. Northanger and Persuasion both published posthumously. Next work Sanditon. Sanditon is an unfinished novel. And Lady Susan. Lady Susan is a short epistolary novel. And The Watsons. It is another unfinished novel. The novel Emma is her fourth novel, published in 1815. Here are the characters. Emma Woodhouse, the main protagonist of this novel. Handsome, clever and rich 20-year-old girl. Mr. George Knightley, Emma's brother-in-law and the Woodhouse's trusted friend and advisor. Mr. Woodhouse, Emma's father. Harriet Smith, a 17-year-old pretty girl. Frank Churchill, Mr. Weston's son. Jane Fairfax, Miss Bates' niece. Miss Taylor, Emma's beloved governess. Mr. Weston, husband of Miss Taylor. Mr. Elton, a handsome, agreeable man. Robert Martin, a 24-year-old farmer. Miss Bates, friend of Mr. Woodhouse and aunt of Jane Fairfax. Isabella Knightley, Emma's older sister. Mr. John Knightley, Emma's brother-in-law and Mr. George Knightley's brother. He is a lawyer. Let's get into the topic. Emma Woodhouse, a girl endowed with some good qualities like looks, intelligence, riches and an affectionate father. She is only 20-year-old girl. She believes that she is a very good matchmaker. Emma's mother has died. She is under the care of a governess called Miss Taylor. After Emma's older sister Isabella was married and moved to London, Miss Taylor and Emma became best friends. As the novel begins, Miss Taylor has just married a widower named Mr. Weston. After that marriage, Emma herself declared success at matchmaking between her governess Taylor and Mr. Weston. And one day, the Woodhouses arrange a dinner party and invite their social circle. A girl named Harriet Smith, whose parentage is unknown, comes to the party. Emma admires Harriet for her beauty and becomes friend of her. She plans to introduce Harriet to higher society. So Emma sets her friends' sights at Mr. Elton, the village vicar. Meanwhile, she persuades Harriet to reject the proposal of Robert Martin, the farmer, whom Harriet really loves. Emma's plans go wrong when Elton declares that his affection is for Emma, not Harriet. But Elton was rejected by Emma. Then he leaves for the town of Bath and marries the girl immediately. After that, a new writer comes to the Highbury, that is Mr. Weston's son, Frank Churchill. Emma knows nothing about Frank Churchill. However, she notices that his charms are directly towards her. Another addition to the Highbury set is Jane Fairfax. Jane is beautiful and accomplished, but Emma dislikes her because she is jealous of Jane. Everyone assumes that Frank and Emma are forming an attachment. Though Emma soon dismisses Frank as a suitor and imagines him as a match for Harriet. One day, when they have a visit to Hatfield, Mr. Knightley and Emma have a lengthy conversation about Harriet and Martin. Knightley reveals that Mr. Martin has consulted him about proposing to Harriet, and Mr. Knightley makes it clear that he supports the match. But Emma said Martin is not Harriet's equal. The next day, Frank saves Harriet from gypsy beggars. When Harriet tells Emma that she has fallen in love with a man, Emma believes that she means Frank. Knightley suspects that Frank and Jan have a secret understanding, and he attempts to warn Emma, but Emma laughs at Knightley's suggestion. One day, a news comes that Frank's aunt has died. With his aunt's death and his uncle's approval, Frank and Jan have been secretly engaged. Emma worries that Harriet will be crushed, but she soon discovers that it is Knightley, not Frank. Harriet believes that Knightley shares his feelings. Emma finds herself upset by Harriet's revelation and she realizes that she is in love with Knightley. Emma expects Knightley to tell her he loves Harriet, but Knightley declares that he loves Emma. Harriet is soon comforted by a second proposal from Robert Martin, which she accepts. The novel ends with the marriage of Harriet and Mr. Martin and that of Emma and Mr. Knightley. Let me ask some MCQs related to this topic. Check yourself that for how many questions you have answered correctly out of 10 and type your scores on the comment box. First question, where is Emma's mother? She died long ago. She has left Mr. Woodhouse visiting her sister. The answer is she died long ago. Next question, how many proposals does Emma receive over the course of the novel? The options are 1, 2, 3. The answer is 2. Third question, who first suspects that Frank and Jan have a secret attachment? The options are Mrs. Weston, Emma, Mr. Knightley. The answer is Mr. Knightley. Fourth question, what is the name of the place where Emma lives? The Vicarage, Downwell Abbey, Highbury. The answer is Highbury. Fifth question, which of the couples who get engaged at the end of the novel is the first to get married? The options are Frank and Jane, Emma and Knightley, Harriet and Mr. Martin. The answer is Harriet and Mr. Martin. Seventh question, from whom does Frank rescue Harriet? The options are gypsies, a rapist, Mrs. Elton. The answer is gypsies. Eighth question, whose wedding has just taken place when the novel begins? The options are the Eltons, the Knightleys, the Westons. The answer is the Westons. Ninth question, in what year was Jane Austen born? The options are 1710, 1744, 1775. The answer is 1775. The last question, what was Jane Austen's first published novel? The options are Emma, Pride and Prejudice, Sense and Sensibility. The answer is Sense and Sensibility. Thank you for staying with us. We will meet in the next video soon. Until then, bye.